We are told here to solve for x given this equation, and to do this what I must do is multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator. Now the least common denominator would be x minus 3 times x minus 1 times x minus 7. So when I multiply everything by that, I'm going to get rid of the fractions. So multiply left side by x minus 3 times x minus 1 times x minus 7. Well, the x minus 3's will cancel. I'm left with 5 times x minus 1 times x minus 7 equals, and then I multiply the 6 over x minus 1, this part by the same least common denominator. X minus 1's will cancel. I'm left with x minus 3 and x minus 7 still on the top. Multiply that by 6. And then for the last term here, I multiply once again by the least common denominator, and the x minus 7's will cancel. I'm left with x minus 3 times x minus 1 times 9. So from here, I just have an equation. All the fractions are gone, so the math itself shouldn't be too bad for you, but just kind of tedious, so be careful with the careless mistakes. I FOIL x minus 1 and x minus 7, I get this, x squared minus 8x plus 7. And then I FOIL x minus 3 and x minus 7, get this. I FOIL x minus 3 times x minus 1, I get this. And so from here, I want to distribute the 5 through, distribute the 6 through, and then distribute the negative 9 through. I'm going to get this right here, this next line. I'm going to spare you the details. I'm assuming you can do that on your own. And then you just combine like terms, move things around. I'm going to get ultimately 8x squared minus 16x minus 64 equals 0. Well, I can divide everything by 8 to make it a little easier. So I'm going to x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. When I do that, I factor. I get x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. And then I set each part equal to 0. So x minus 4 would be 0, or x plus 2 would be 0. So I'll solve for x. X would be 4, or x would be negative 2. And that is my final answer.